In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align and distribute objects effectively in your slides or design projects. Making sure that your elements are perfectly aligned and evenly distributed can vastly improve the visual appeal and professionalism of your work. Let's dive into the process. First, you need to select the object or objects you're planning to align. If you're dealing with multiple objects, you can select them by holding down the Shift key or the Ctrl+CMD key if that's more familiar to you, and then clicking on each object you want to include in the alignment. This approach allows you to effortlessly gather all the elements you need without losing focus on your design layout. Once you have your objects selected, navigate to the top menu. Here, you'll find the Arrange option. Hover over it or click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the Align option. This is where the magic happens. After selecting the Align option, you'll be presented with several choices. If you want to align your objects horizontally, you can choose between Align Left, Center, or Align Right. On the other hand, if your goal is to align them vertically, you have the options Align Top, Middle, or Align Bottom. These choices give you the flexibility to achieve just the right positioning for your particular project. Sometimes you might want your objects to align relative to the slide itself, rather than just relative to each other. If this is the case, make sure the option Align to Slide is selected. This ensures that everything is positioned in reference to the boundaries of your slide, giving you a more controlled layout. Now, let's talk about distributing objects evenly, which is just as important as aligning them. For this task, you'll need to select at least 3 objects that you want to space out evenly. With your objects selected, go back to the Arrange menu, and this time look for Distribute. Within the Distribute options, you'll find 2 main choices: Distribute horizontally, which spaces your objects evenly from left to right, and Distribute vertically, which does the same but from top to bottom. Once you select your preferred option, watch as the objects adjust themselves, ensuring the gaps between them are equal. This not only enhances the visual consistency of your slide or design, but also gives it a more polished and thoughtfully crafted appearance. Remember, taking the extra time to align and distribute objects can make a significant difference in the overall look of your work. It draws the viewer's eye smoothly across the slide, making your design more engaging. Thanks for watching and happy designing!